Hello kids! Welcome to your favorite channel Starbeam Kids. Today, we will learn the names of 20 vegetables, their English names, and also their health benefits. Let's begin. Kids, this is a potato. Potatoes give us energy and contain vitamin B and C. Kids, this is an onion. Onions keep our body cool and improve immunity. Kids, this is a carrot. Carrots are very good for our eyes and give us strength. Kids, this is a tomato. Tomatoes keep our skin and heart healthy. Kids, these are peas. Peas are rich in protein, which makes us strong and healthy. Kids, this is a brinjal. Brinjal helps in good digestion and keeps us healthy. Kids, this is lady finger. Lady finger is good for our brain and eyes. Kids, this is cabbage. Cabbage improves digestion and keeps our body healthy. Kids, this is cauliflower. Cauliflower has vitamin C, which makes our immunity strong. Kids, this is capsicum. Capsicum is good for both our eyes and heart. Kids, this is a cucumber. Cucumber keeps our body cool and makes our skin fresh. Kids, this is a pumpkin. Pumpkin is very good for our eyes and heart. Kids, this is spinach. Spinach is rich in iron and makes us strong and healthy. Kids, this is a radish. Radish helps in digestion and keeps the body cool. Kids, this is ginger. Ginger is very helpful in cold and keeps the body warm. Kids, this is garlic. Garlic keeps our heart healthy and protects us from diseases. Kids, this is green chili. Green chili has vitamin C, which boosts our immunity. Kids, this is ridge gourd. Ridge gourd is easy to digest and keeps the body light and fresh. Kids, this is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd purifies the blood and helps control diabetes. Kids, this is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd keeps our body cool and improves digestion. Wow, kids! Today we learned the names of 20 vegetables in English and Hindi, along with their health benefits. Don't forget to eat your vegetables daily to stay strong and healthy. Keep watching Starbeam Kids for more fun and learning.